Being an efficient working professional requires only a few very simple key habits which can easily be incorporated in our day-to-day life for a more efficient and professional image. Hello, my name is Konkana Bakshi. I'm an etiquette consultant and I run a finishing school by the name of Savoir Faire Academy in Mumbai. In this video, I'll be sharing 5 key tips on business etiquette which will be helpful for any working professional. Always be on time. This is non-negotiable. Being punctual is the foundation principle for anyone who wants to be an efficient working professional. It can pretty much make or break your professional image. Being on time shows that you respect your work and others' time. It's the key quality for any professional of any hierarchy. Occasionally, being late for work is understandable only if there are unavoidable situations that arise, and everyone in your team or your office are informed about it. If you're meeting a client or business delegates, be well prepared to be on time. Also, bad traffic cannot be an excuse for being late. It will show your lack of efficiency. A polite way of communicating face-to-face or through email is a credibility enhancer. Communication with a smile or using kind words like please and thank you get the job done even more promptly. Professional communication should be authoritative yet kind. It's challenging yet extremely important to have polite communication, especially in a crisis. A rude gesture cannot be taken back even if it's done under the heat of the moment. When it comes to communicating over emails, it's important to understand the salutation and sign-off. If you know the person you're addressing in your email, the salutation would be Dear Miss last name and the sign-off will be sincerely followed by your full name. If you do not know the name of the person your email is addressed to, then you sign off as faithfully followed by your first and your last name. Present yourself for the job you want to have and not the job you're currently in. Dressing in a clean, professional manner, which will add to your visual impact, plays an important role for a polished image. Fitted clothes, polished shoes, personal hygiene, and an overall well-groomed look will add brownie points for the designation you're eyeing. Dressing well shows that you respect the other person and the work environment. Dressing well doesn't necessarily mean dressing expensively. Just an overall well-groomed, organized image would truly help one in professional growth. Demeaning behavior or superior attitude is a business etiquette faux pas, simply because it doesn't build relationships. Humility, empathy, and compassion are key elements for leadership. Taking pride or advantage of your superior authority is against the principle of business etiquette. Most successful leaders and C-level executives would have these 3 values. Always think before you act and act to build relationships, even if at the very moment the situation wouldn't work in your favor. Applying the 3 principles of etiquette, consideration, respect, and honesty before addressing a challenging situation in hand would prove how you handle crisis. Putting relationship building before your need to get your way would show your maturity and your credibility as a business professional. Hope you found these business etiquette tips helpful. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.